example of Newton's three laws of motion. The first law, an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. And an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. As my dad chops down a limb of our tree, gravity will pull it down, which is the outside force, because it is currently at rest. But once it hits the ground, it will stop moving. The ground is the outside force stopping it. Newton's second law, force. This branch will fall at a certain speed, which is about 9.8 meters per second, approximately, because of air resistance and stuff like that. Now, this tree will hit the ground with a certain amount of force. That force will be quite large because it's a big branch and it's going to be falling quite fast. And finally,
we're getting close now.
Newton's third law of motion. Every reaction has an equal and opposite reaction. As this branch plummets towards the ground very soon, it will make a loud noise as it slams the ground, and it will push the earth away. And it will also bounce. Now, as my father continues to cut down the tree outside, let's talk more about the third law, Newton's third law of motion, which was sort of crushed out by the tree. Yeah, that was loud. Now, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. When that branch fell, it released sound, and as it hit the ground, it pushed the earth away, and it itself bounced up. So that is it. Newton's three laws of motion. As my dad continues to cut down the tree.